Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is you have to keep a smile on your face while recording your lectures. For example, a lot of times I've noticed and one of the top Udemy instructors, he always has a smile on his face while teaching. That's a good practice because if you have a smile on your face then you're inviting others to stay with you a little while longer. Your smile is contagious in a way, it is inviting others towards you. You're more approachable this way, and this practice can help you in every walk of life because a person who has a smile on his face is more appealing for some people. People consider people who have a smile on their face, they consider them more confident, and some people also consider them stronger because even in a troublesome environment they keep on smiling, which also tells us more about their character and interpersonal skills. I'm referring to an instructor and he's one of the best instructors on Udemy. He has made a lot of money on Udemy. His name is Phil Ebner. He always has a smile on his face, or as if it looks like that he's smiling all the time, and it gives the impression that he's a nice person to be around. You can be friends with him. So smiling is the key to your success as an instructor. You have to have a smiling face. It's really difficult for me to maintain a smiling face all the time, but obviously when I'm teaching something and I'm concentrating, then it's difficult to manage a smile. And I've also noticed that his courses are like in simple language, but this works for him and that's good. I'm seriously thinking of creating more courses and uploading them on Udemy and other platforms. I came across a few more platforms where you can upload your courses, and I'm not so sure if you can simultaneously upload them both on Udemy, Skillshare, and those new platforms that I've recently discovered. So I think that course making is a fun way to express yourself. You can use your creativity to design lectures. The only problem that I can find is you have to sit for a while, at least 2.5 hours for Udemy. I suggest that you don't create these lectures in one go. You can like break them up in smaller chunks and you can record yourself this way. I think that would be easier for you when you're comfortable speaking and teaching. Then your students would be comfortable, they would feel much more relaxed, and relaxation is the key whenever you're teaching something and your students or the other party is learning something. It doesn't have to be a one way communication. You have to pause appropriately where necessary for the student to understand what you're trying to say. Course making is also a really fun way to teach others what you know. Courses can help you enhance your skills or skill level. It can help you change your mindset, and it can help you in your personal development journey. This is not a comprehensive list. In this Hemingway application, I've written like smile, smile, smile some more. I've written this as a reminder for me. So the main message or the gist of this video is that you need to smile while creating courses, and that will make you more appealing for your students. So that's about it. Thank you for listening. Take care and have a nice day.